Welcome back to Feature Friday. Today we're going to be interviewing one of the amazing women that works here at Henderson's lineup in SuperSteer. So let's go find her. Thank you for joining us today, Rhonda. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing great. Are you ready for your interrogation?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so what exactly do you do here at Henderson's lineup in SuperSteer?
I am the bookkeeper for both, and I take care of the finances and pay the bills, and yeah, I love it. It's perfect for me.
The numbers gal.
I am.
Okay.
I love numbers.
I couldn't do it. And how long have you worked here?
I've been here for a little over 3 years.
What's your favorite part about your job?
I love the people here. I love who I work with. It's a wonderful family. I like to interact with the customers when I have time, and I'm right off the showroom where they all sit and wait while they're getting their RVs worked on. So it's fun. I really love that part.
What is one thing you do every morning to prepare yourself for a successful day?
I pray. I pray for a sharp mind and focus every day. It's really what gets me through so I can do the best job I possibly can.
What is your favorite part about working here?
My favorite part is that it really fits into my life. I don't have to work a 9-to-5 job.
Mm-hmm.
I come in and do my work, and I get to interact with every department and every person here. I have to come in contact with eventually or on a daily basis.
Yeah.
So yeah, I love that.
Really do get to know everyone here.
You do.
I love it. If money didn't matter, what is your choice of RV?
I would drive a Sprinter because after, of course, the shop at Henderson's has fixed it all up and improved all the steering and suspension, I would drive that. They're really easy to drive, and they're small enough but to maneuver around the roads, but it's also big enough to be comfortable.
Where would be the first place you would take that RV, again, if money didn't matter?
My favorite place in the United States is the Puget Sound. It's between Washington and Canada, and the islands are absolutely beautiful, and that's my favorite place. That and the Olympic mountains. I like to go up there too and hike.
Yeah, sounds beautiful.
Yeah.
Alrighty, well, if you like more videos like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we can't wait to see you next Feature Friday. And until next time, we wish you safer and happier driving.